Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something kind of weird. I'm going to be putting freckles on my face. I know that this has been an old trend, but being me, I'm always behind on these things. So I'm just gonna try it today anyways, just because I have nothing else better to do. I'm going to be putting freckles on my face using henna dye. I've tried using henna dye before on my eyebrows, which in fact I might do that next. I might make another video on doing henna eyebrows, you know, like a temporary or like a semi-permanent eyebrow kind of thing. So if this works for my freckles, then I might do my eyebrows next in another video. So the product that I'm going to use today to create these freckles is this Bijen hair dye here. I've used Bijen products before. This one I haven't. I did the one where I just mix water, but this one I believe there's cream and then there's a developer on it as well. I recommend that if you're trying this, do a little test section to see on your skin if you have an allergic reaction. I'm gonna be stupid and I'm not gonna do that for today just because I want to go ahead and just apply it on my skin already. So on the way we'll see if I have an allergic reaction, which I hope I don't. I feel like I won't, but you know, we never know. But if you guys are going to be trying this, I do highly recommend that you just test it out on your skin first. Try it like right in the back of your neck over here or somewhere on your skin just to see if your skin will react negatively towards it. If not, then it might be good to go. This is just basically for me to try and just to share with you my experience with it and my results from it. I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up. Maybe I'll just open it up and just share with you guys what the contents inside look like. So I'm gonna be using light brown. I mean, this is like my mom's stuff. Just kind of stole it from her stash and decided to use it. There is no other color but light brown here, and I didn't want to go anywhere to buy one just for this video, so I'm just gonna see how light brown really works for my skin. I've watched a few videos and a lot of them say to not really go for the ones that are super dark because over time henna will, I guess, oxidize on your skin and just come out a little bit darker after a day or so. They usually go for more of an orange tone, so this is light brown. Hopefully this will be okay for my skin. I don't know, we'll see. Inside, it just has a little application brush here because this is meant to cover grays. I'm going to be using this solely for my freckles today. Of course, it comes with some gloves, and then it has two tubes here. This one is the cream developer, and then this one is the cream color. So we'll be mixing these two together to create the mixture. There are instructions here as well, but I kind of know the gist of how to mix this. If you guys don't, always read the instructions. I just have a little container here. I'm gonna just mix part one and then equal parts of part two into here, mix it up, and I guess after I do that, we'll be applying the dots onto my skin. So I have mixed the two together and it just kind of looks like this yellow creamy mustard shade here. So I am probably gonna let this sit for a few minutes to see if the color gets a little bit darker before I apply it to my skin. I know that it will get darker because I did use something similar to this before, and over time it did get darker. So this is supposed to be light brown. If it doesn't change color, then I don't know what I'm gonna do. In the meantime though, you want to make sure that your skin is prepped with nothing on it. Make sure that there's like no moisturizer on your face. I did wash my face. I just obviously left what's up here, my eyebrows and my eyes, but I cleaned off the surface here because I'm only going to be applying the freckles in this area. And on my nose, I might go a little bit higher up, so I cleaned here. So I don't know, I'm just gonna probably go from here to here and then from my nose and like a few dots up here. Left it for a bit and it did get a little bit darker. So I'm just gonna be using this brush of mine here. I don't know if you can see it, but it was like my eyeliner brush. Has like a very fine tip here. So I'm just gonna use that to dot all of the dots for my face. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. I'm just gonna go ahead and just place dots everywhere, and hopefully I don't mess up my face. So I'm gonna go, kind of scared, but whatever. If it doesn't look nice, then I'll have to layer my face with foundation galore. Oh my god. It just looks too perfect of a pattern. Maybe I should just place the dots like everywhere. I mean, it doesn't look so bad from far away, but see, can you see that? Can you see that? Okay, we'll see. I'm just gonna go ahead and put more dots on my face. Oh my god, those are big dots. Not gonna lie though, my face kind of stings, but maybe it's just because I'm not used to having all of this product on my face, because I never put product like this on my face. But you know, I'm just being really stupid right now just to try it out. But like I said, if you guys are gonna do this, test out a small section of your skin first before just going right into it like I am. What do freckles even look like on faces? Let me just try to get a photo and use it as a reference so that I can just kind of draw my face with freckles, because I don't even know what they're supposed to look like. I don't know if this is natural or if this is real freckles, but I'm gonna try to make my freckles look like this, like kind of natural looking, placed everywhere. So I might not even go around my eye area because I have eye makeup there, but might make them like more dots in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna flip my brush around because I find that this is not even that fine tipped anymore. So I'm just gonna use this end of my brush to make my dots. Maybe that'll be a little bit better. I'm gonna make them a little bit more close together as opposed to so far apart. I'm not gonna lie, I'm super nervous how this is gonna turn out when I wash this off or wipe it off. I'll make more smaller dots. Okay, I think that is about it. I don't know if I should do it a little bit more or not, but my face, it feels weird, but you know, that's what it's looking like right now. It just looks like an explosion happening here. I don't know if I should put a bit more dots because it just looks like some kind of design happening. So I don't know if I have moisturizer on my forehead or not, but I'm just gonna go. If it comes off, then whatever. So I'm just gonna add just a little bit more on my forehead here. Oh my god, it even looks worse. I made it more of a mask. I tried to make this not look like a mask, but now it looks like I'm wearing some kind of Halloween mask on top because it was just framing my eyebrows. But I feel I am about to just give up right now. That's it. That's it. I'm putting it down. I'm not doing any more at all. I look ridiculous already from afar. Actually, wait, from afar, no, it does look bad. But I know that this is not how it's going to be looking like. Once it comes off, it's not going to be as dark as this, I'm hoping. But I'm going to leave this on for a few hours, a couple hours. I don't know. I'll just keep an eye on it. I know a lot of people say that they've left their henna on for 4 hours. Some people do it for 8 hours. They sleep with it overnight, but I don't think I'm going to do that today. I don't want to sleep with it on just in case I get some kind of reaction and I wake up and my face is like swollen. But I'm just gonna keep it on for maybe 2 hours. We'll see. It is 3:15 in the afternoon right now, so maybe I'll come back at around 5:15 if not maybe around 6 something, I don't know, between 6 to 7, and we'll see how my face goes. I will come back before taking it off. I'll try taking it off with you guys, and then we'll see from there. So I'll keep you guys updated on how it's going during the next hour or so. All right guys, so it's been about an hour since I had it on my face, and I just did a little test by removing some of the dots right over there. So I don't know if I should still wait another hour or so. Sorry, my dog is just barking like a madhouse there. But I took this off, and then I took that off. You can see my skin is a little bit red, and I just kind of tested it out over here. I'm probably gonna keep it on for another hour. We'll just see it, whatever, you know. Worst comes to worst, I can just put foundation on it. So okay guys, so I'm back, and I decided to just remove this a little bit earlier than expected. I still have another half an hour to go. I was just actually gonna leave it on for 2 hours. I ended this around 3:15, and it's 5 o'clock right now. I just have no more patience. I did a little henna test, not henna test, but like a little henna design on my daughter's hand, and I removed it already, and it is super dark. So I think it's time for me to take it off my face. I did remove a little bit over here, and I took off everything on my chin. So you guys can see, can you see? I don't know. Anyways, you can see some like dots here, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take everything off my face. I don't know if I should do this dry or if I should do it wet. I just have my little cotton pad here. And I'm just gonna wipe it off. It's dry though, but I don't know if I should spray my face or spray the pad. Let me just spray it a little bit. I don't want it too damp, but alright guys, let's see if I ruined my face. Okay, well, it's not as dark, but again, they say that after a day or so, oh my god, looks like I have some kind of skin disease or something. No. It does not look like Freckles. Let's see if you guys can see that. Come on, freaking focus. Okay. Can you see that? Oh my god. No, it does not look good. Good thing I'm not going anywhere in these next few days, because this absolutely looks nothing like Freckles. I don't think. Unless I put foundation. I don't know. We'll see. I look hella crazy. See, like, I don't know. From here, since I can't even see myself that clearly, it's not that bad, right? Or am I just kidding myself? It's bad. Oh my god. This is like clearly one of the stupidest things that I've tried, but hey, at least I tried it. I don't know, maybe if I just have some makeup on to cover it up or something, it won't look as bad, but this is what I'm looking like. Alright, so I think what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna just give my face a cleaner wash, and then I'm going to apply some makeup on, maybe some light foundation, and hopefully it'll still show through. Just to maybe see what it looks like with a full face of makeup, like not completely full coverage, but just more makeup, and I'll be back, I guess. Alright guys, so I'm back, and I applied some makeup on to see if, you know, it'll look a little bit better. Obviously from, you know, from this view over here, from being this far away, it might not look too bad, but still up close, it looks pretty bad. So this is my face right now, so you guys can see right here. I mean, it might not look as bad over here, but my forehead is pretty bad. It just looks like this straight line that I created here. I didn't even like spread the dots around or the freckles around. that's it. I don't know what else to say. I don't know what else to do because I tried it and I knew that there is these risks that were going to be involved with the freckles not even looking like freckles. But I guess throughout the day I'll try to update you guys and just see how it progresses. And by the end of the day, when I take my makeup off, I'll show you guys as well to see if, you know, it looks any different or not, or if hopefully I can kind of scrub some of the forehead off. I mean, if I didn't have the forehead freckles, I might not even be as mad. Actually, I think I would be. Sorry, my hair is just a mess. Yeah, my hair is different color. I didn't mention that in the video, but you guys clearly seen that my hair was different from the last time you guys saw me. My hair last time was purple and now it's at this peachy stage. I was in this transition of turning myself orange, but I have another video coming up soon because I want to be like a really bright orange, so hopefully that will happen in the next few videos. But you know, this is my hair situation right now. I mean, I'm not mad about it. The only thing I'm mad about is what's happening on the roots, because things have been fading out really weird. So right now I'm just kind of leaving it like this because it's not as bad when I flip my hair this way. So I'll come back and fill you guys in with what's happening with this face situation. Okay guys, so it is the end of the day. I'm about to take off my makeup. To be honest, I forgot that I had this on my face. I mean, I didn't go anywhere today. I was just at home or doing puzzles and stuff with the family. And I just completely forgot that I had freckles on my face until I went to the washroom to take my makeup off and I was like, oh shoot, I still got it on my face. This is what it's looking like with my makeup on. So I'm just gonna go and take it off to see if, you know, it looks a lot brighter than it did earlier. Alright, so I have all my makeup off, as you can see. I just kind of like use a little bit of exfoliation on my face, more on my forehead and just in this area over here to see if, you know, I can kind of remove that henna. So here it's not as, you know, noticeable. It's just very subtle now. So we'll see in the morning. Again, maybe I did remove most of it off my skin. I still don't know if this is going to get any more darker than it is now. But, you know, one more check in. We'll see how it turns out when I wake up in the morning. Alright, so it's the next morning and this is my face situation today. I think it still looks the same. I don't think that the freckles got any darker. But from last night, I thought this is gone. But this morning, I can see a little bit more on my forehead here, up close. I'm sorry, I don't like putting my face so close to the camera, but I just want you guys to see what it's looking like. That's just how it is. So this is what I'm living with for the next few days. I'm not really mad, so I'm just gonna own it. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you guys found this at all entertaining whatsoever, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're new here and you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notifications. And also follow me on the gram. It is Sharee.Anonuevo for, you know, my main account. And then again, because if you guys know, I do hair on the side as well. Not really on the side, but I am working my way up to be a hairstylist. And you know, I have my portfolio on my other Instagram account, which is Glam Star Artistry, so definitely check that out. Other than that, that is about it. And you know, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out, guys.